Welcome back. In this section, we are going to see how to unzip GZ file in a new directory in Hadoop. We have bunch of GZ files in a folder in HDFS. We want to unzip all of those GZip files to a new folder in HDFS. How should we do this? So for that, we will be using combination of Hadoop and Linux commands. So for that we have Hadoop FS cat and the Hadoop file in GZ format. Then we will use pipe and then we will use gzip -d, which is a Unix or Linux command. Then we will use Hadoop FS hyphen put hyphen, which indicates the system input, and then we will specify the Hadoop directory. This is the way we will perform this action. So let's move to the practical demonstration of it. First step will be creating a temp example file. For example, nano. We are writing few contents in it. So we have written 3 lines and we will save the file. So here you can see we have 3 lines in example.txt. I will use gzip example.txt. So now I have example.txt.gz. So this is the file, example file. Here is the content. So now what I will do is I will use this command. I will go to directory Hadoop where I have installed Hadoop. So this is present in bin. So this is the place where I will execute this command. Hadoop fs put. Put will move this example.txt.gz file to Hadoop environment, and it will be stored in big data Hadoop slash Hadoop files. So let's perform this activity. So here we are creating a GZ file and moving the data into Hadoop environment. So here we will list the so here you can see I have example.txt which is created just now. So now let's use this example. So this gzip file will be loaded into some another directory, that is Hadoop fs cat big data Hadoop file example.txt.gz gzip -d Hadoop fs put into big data example.txt. So here the files will be moved. So zip file will be unzipped and stored into different location. Now what I will do is I will use this command because this is the file which we created. Now I am printing that file. So here you can see these three lines have been printed. So this is the way we will perform the required action. So that's all for this lecture. See you in the next video.